Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Solutions. Today we will talk about how to install Windows 11 optional updates and are they necessary to install. Whether installing a Windows 11 optional update is necessary depends on several factors. Optional updates typically include non-security fixes, feature enhancements, or new functionalities, and optional updates can address bugs and improve system performance and stability. If you're experiencing issues or want the latest features, installing these updates could be beneficial for sure. These updates often include new features or enhancements to existing features that might improve your user experience as well. And in terms of compatibility, sometimes optional updates ensure better compatibility with new software or hardware. If you plan to use new devices or applications, installing the update might be necessary. Although optional updates are not primarily security updates, but they can include fixes that indirectly enhance security by improving system robustness. And in terms of testing environment, if you use your computer for critical tasks, you might prefer waiting to ensure optional updates are stable and don't introduce new issues. Optional updates have typically undergone less extensive testing compared to mandatory updates. So let's actually see how to install them. First of all, in the search bar, type in update and click on check for updates options. Look for this advanced option, click on it, and you will see optional updates here, and it's saying one available. So we'll click on this, and if there is any updates pending for your system, it should show um, on the side, and it should say download and install option, which is right now grayed out. So we need to click on this to expand and put the check mark for HP option, and then click on download and install, and there you go, it's all done. It's downloading right now, and we will wait for its completion. Once it is completed, feel free to restart your computer, and you should be good after that. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye for now.